8 coming up. Like, so we just slept, had a good morning. We collected a couple of berries. While I'm almost done with the roof, we're doing some finishing touches. The floor, we didn't have the materials to do. We tried, y'all, but I'm telling you, man, I'm ready to come home. We have a bit more days before this challenge is over. So, yeah. So right now, we're going to be talking about a game plan. What do you think we should do next?
We gotta do the finishing touches on the roof and, take a breather. I don't really know.
We can get that done overnight. We'll figure it out. I mean, we may need to hunt for some more food. Wish us luck, guys.